today I'm going to be testing out two new stuff. I'm going to be using this kind of suave and this kind of hand soap. So, I'm going to use salt. I already added a little salt, a little, and put them in the freezer for a little while. So, right now, wait, you might find that it's not as great because I'm on botany. And it's just watery. Oh, it's water, I add a little. Oh. And I'm gonna be using Suave. I know Suave you guys use is yuck. I'm just gonna make it so hard to mix. I don't know why. I need to add like more salt to this because this was like the hardest slime to make. If you're using this kind of salt that I have, you might need even more salt than you even think so you want to eat. I need little by little. So I'll just work. At the moment I saw, I'm like, maybe it needs more even. Maybe I'm gonna have a book. I have a book. That literally works. You guys see if I touch it, it's not even sticking to my fingers right now. I might be talking so weird in all these videos. One reason this video is kind of being slime is because tell my teacher because about that. Don't tell my teacher, guys. My teacher. So you guys, I added like a book, and I don't know what's the reason about that slime, but it works really well for me. This slime is supposed to be done like for a little pinch of salt, like when you pour like one drop, it should be like ready slime, but not too big, sir. So this is a suave one, and let's try this one out. Why is it watery? I added a little salt mixture, hand soap. I'm using hand soap and Suave is gonna be the winner, so better get your tails on that. Oh, hey, it is so watery. Look at this. Look, I could like all over the plate. Look at this. You got a spoon? I had a spoon here. Look at this. I'm like dripping. It just drops. Just not. Why will you not form? I thought you will form. I don't want to form. What do you mean you don't want to form? You know, now it becomes slime. I'm going to throw you away after I'm done. So let's come back to Suave. Suave, do you want to win? Yes. What do you mean yes? I like to win. Okay, then Suave might win because the slime is really not sticky. It's kind of sticky, but watery, not sticky. See, it's not sticky. It's watery, kind of sticky too. You need more salt? Yes, I need more salt. Oh, people have been adding me salt a lot. The hell? What are your ingredients? What are your ingredients? What are the ingredients in here? In every of them, there should be ingredients. Not a little more. Just a little because my grandma is using this one. I don't want to waste this one because this is my grandma's. And if you're using your grandma's or your mom's or dad's, add a little before you add a bunch to that because it might not even work for you. So, just saying, guys. Just if you have made slime before, then do it. But if you have never made slime, then don't just add a little squirt and do it. Mix all the ingredients in. Kind of goopy. Why is it even stickier now? What the hell? You Suave? I thought you were not sticky. I hope my grandma has more shampoo because I've kind of been wasting her. I told her I was only going to use this kind because I've been people use Suave a lot. And I thought, look, when you add more shampoo to your slime, you have to, oh my god, it's turning watery. I need even more salt. You don't need. Keep on mixing. Keep on mixing, and then you will get the slimy form. You guys see I'm mixing this little batch right here because if you scooch a little batch, if you like mix a little batch, it'll be better when you grab it. Like you don't even got the whole thing. The whole thing would. Why did I did that? Look at this. I forgot I was supposed to mix this. Look in the wall. Yuck. This is my house. So hard. Looks like this looks like when you fart. No, like you poop, but you poop white, and then when you mix it, just slime. Or you even, sometimes you can poop green. Have you even pooped green once? I've never, but I haven't seen my brother poop. My brother told me, bro, I have pooped green more than my brownie color. I miss brownie. I want brownie back. What the hell? Something like that. Shout outs go to nobody goes to shout out. But shout out to I forgot. Grazi, whatever that. Shout out to I don't even know what the hell. Next time I'm gonna go a shout out to nobody because I don't know what shout outs are supposed to be doing. I don't know shout out. You guys see I'm standing like this. I cannot resist the chair standing in the class all day sitting like I don't know. I just take that. I hate it because it's so uncomfortable. It feels like you're so weird. It feels like you're so tiny. It feels like you're like so little. And that's why I hate it a lot. It feels like you're a little guy and you laugh at you. You know those people that laugh sometimes at you. Yeah, I'm like, oh my god, it feels so weird to be sitting in a seat I should not supposed to be sitting. Okay, I hope my grandma has even more fun. She won't push the rest. Well, I gotta spill on that board. I already told my grandma about this. Okay, I'm gonna mix the other one I was using. The one with the hand soap on it. I hope my grandma has more. Whoa, good, this is so creamy. I hope my grandma has even more. So that should be enough. Maybe she still has more. So oh my, I'm sorry guys. So let's see this one. Are you seriously with me? I just put you in the freezer. You're so watery. Well, let's just deal with this one. See guys, when you mix this into watery, now the molecules are so slimy. It's fine. Right now, I'm gonna put it in the freezer because sometimes you need the freezer method, and you're not. It's gonna be just doing anything. Oh my god. Put that one in the freezer. So now we're gonna just deal with this one that does not want to work. So why? Wait, why you do this thing? It's basically what kind of equate you use. This equate does not work. I've been trying this equate. Tongue. Look. This is not equate. Wait, look what you did right now. Oh my. My mom's gonna be so fucking mad. It's not how I put this back. I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, so Clay, I'm sorry, bye bye. I'm gonna put this tomorrow. Kitchen, I'm gonna get the other one. So, Clay was gone, and now we're dealing with this one. It's a whole batch. Oh my god, there's not even. She still has shampoo, it's just I cannot use the other one because it's brand new. So, the freezer is the one that's gonna make it even more goofier. It makes air bubbles sometimes. The air bubbles is not good, but leave my hand there and then get it up. Yeah, you could tell. Look. When you pull it up, don't you see like the slime putting up? That means it's all sticky. So you can tell, guys, it does work. It's just you need to put it. So it's just sticky. I'm gonna deal with this. Ah. That's not hurt. So, bye guys. I'm gonna see you guys next week. And I'm gonna deal with this shampoo slime. But I'm done eating my food. Yes, it is a little here. So bye guys. I'm gonna just put this in the freezer. Don't want to leave that for too long. Just the freezer. It's like goopy. It's not even stands up for it. Oh my, yuck! Oh my god, didn't give anything. So this one's the one that worked so well. So bye guys. I don't know. We will, but it's one of my